I today? I am deep within the Welsh valleys. I've invaded Wales again. And I'm with Matty with me. Give us a wave. And we are hunting for waterfalls again today, ladies and gentlemen. We've come to, or we're hoping to get to, at some point, the most visited about 80-metre drop waterfall in the UK, or at least in Wales. That's what some of the information says online. But as I always say, don't take my word for it. We're just here to have some fun. But we've come to visit a waterfall called, let me try and pronounce it here, Pistyll Rhaeadr? What do you think, Matty? Pistyll Rhaeadr, is that right? Yeah. Yeah, about right. And just look at the amazing scenery around me right now. Right in the heart of Wales. This is an absolutely fantastic location. Beautiful surroundings. And I've been promised by a few of the walkers that we've just recently come across that we're in for a treat when we see this waterfall. This is kind of the crescendo, if you like, of me exploring all the little waterfalls in and around Shropshire. And I thought, we need a climax to see a big, massive waterfall. So we've come to a huge waterfall today, but for those of you looking to see a waterfall rather quick, we've got a couple of little trickles of waterfalls here. And there he is, perched on a rock. Nice shots.
The first time I fell in.
I shouldn't have distracted you.
No, I was perfectly well balanced, and then as soon as that happened, I thought, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go.
Nice shots. Whoop, slippy. That's the second time you slipped over.
Yeah, but you didn't catch that one on camera.
I didn't catch the first one on camera, no.
But you got that one.
I got that one. Yeah, absolutely. Oh dear. Right. Okay. Should we carry on a little explore and see if we can find the perfect viewpoint of this beautiful waterfall?
That sounds like a good plan to me.
All right, mate. We'll see you guys in a sec, a bit further along our walk as we get a little bit closer. And that's the road we travelled up, isn't it?
It is. Single track.
Yeah.
So there are loads of passing places, but just don't park in them.
Yeah. Yeah, there's loads of signs up saying pass in place, fine, 70 quid. How legitimate those signs are, I don't know. Maybe it's a little ploy to try and get people to use the car park, possibly. But the car park today, a £5. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. The only downside was you had to use 40p to have a wee.
Yeah.
That was
quite literally taking the pee, that one.
Yeah, it was, yeah. Well done for not swearing, by the way. That was good.
I'm proud of myself as well.
But yeah, just absolutely stunned by the view. Just, yeah, incredible. I love Wales. Love coming to Wales. Used to come for many holidays as a kid. Claret Bay, Aberystwyth, Barmouth, all those holiday places. I think it's well worth a little treat to have a rest on this rock here as we overlook this absolutely incredible view. That is just unbelievable. Breathtaking is the only word I can really describe.
It's absolutely gorgeous, especially with the views and the valleys. And
even like the rock faces there, like...
Yeah.
It's only when you look at something like that, you really realise how insignificant you are in the world. Now that is not the waterfall. Just down there to the left is the waterfall. These are the little tiny trickle waterfalls that cascade through the valley and lead onto the big waterfall drop. Over 80 metres, I believe it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Should we have a look?
Yeah, I think we should.
Let's go for it. So at the moment, we're taking you to the top of the waterfall. We're going to get some shots towards the end of this video of the bottom where you can see it crashing into the pool. But this is the viewpoint from the top. And that is where the waterfall's off the sheer drop. Let's see if we can get a slightly better view. I tell you what, if you got vertigo, ooh. Do I dare get a little bit closer? Right on the edge here. That's about as far as I dare get. My head's going. My head's going. Wow. Now the view on top was absolutely epic. That's the only real word to describe that. But we're just coming to where the water plunges down. 80 meters in height, would you believe? Absolutely incredible. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. I think I'm going to sign out from here with Matty by my side. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.